Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve 4x4 OLL Parity. And while you're solving, you might come up with a case where you can't make a cross, or you can't do the correct OLL, and in that case you just have to pretend that the two pieces that are flipped over are flipped the right way, and solve it like normal, and after you're done solving it like normal, that's when you should do this algorithm. I'm gonna put the algorithm on the screen if you need it. You could also just watch my hands and what they're doing, or you could just go in the description and I'll type it in there if you know how to read 4x4 notations. So here we go. RW, U2, X rotation, RW, U2, RW, U2, RW prime, U2, LW, U2, RW prime, U2, RW, U2, RW prime, U2, and RW prime. And now you should have your two edges flipped. If you followed along correctly, you should have your edges fixed, and now you'll just have to solve your cube normally. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and see you on my next video.